Dublin has a great public transport system, but it can be a little confusing for the first-time users. If you're visiting Dublin for the first time and do not know how to pay for Dublin's public transport system, then in this video, I'm going to tell you all that you need to know to pay for Dublin's public transport. By the way, I'm Deepti and I make videos for people who come to visit Dublin. There are only two ways in which you can pay for Dublin's public transport. One is to buy the tickets and the second one is to use the leap card. You cannot directly use your contactless debit or credit cards in Dublin's public transport system as this feature is not enabled as of today. So don't forget to either buy tickets or have a leap card before getting onto Dublin's public transport system. If you are new to Dublin and do not know what public transport options are available, then you should definitely check out my previous video put down in the description below. You can buy tickets for buses, trains and trams. For the buses, get onto the bus and buy your tickets directly from the driver. Let the driver know your destination and he'll calculate the appropriate fare price for you. Then you will have to drop the appropriate amount in the coin box, after which he will print the tickets for you and hand it on to you. If you do not have change and you end up dropping more amount than needed, then remember you won't be given the remaining amount back. So to be on the safe side, have at least 3 euros for a single journey. When it comes to trains and trams, it is a little different. You'll have to buy your tickets ahead of the journey by using the ticket machine that you'll find in every station and platform. There are a variety of ticket types that you can purchase for public transport. Based on the mode, you can purchase daily, weekly, monthly and annual tickets. And depending on your travel plans, they could actually turn out to be cost effective for you. Next option is to use the Leap card to pay for Dublin's public transport. Leap card is a prepaid contactless card that can be used to pay for any public transport, not just in Dublin but anywhere in Ireland. They are the most cost-effective and convenient way to use the public transport. You can buy the Leap card from any convenience store in Ireland like Spar and Centra for only 5 euros. To use your Leap card to pay for a bus, get on the bus and place your card on the Leap card validator machine. You will find 2 Leap card validator machines in the bus. One is at the right hand side of the entry door and the other one is placed near the driver. By tapping your card on the door-sided one, the full fare amount will be deducted. However, if you're traveling short and do not want to pay the full fare amount, then walk up to the driver and place your card on the second validator machine. Let the driver know your destination and he will deduct the appropriate amount from your card. To use your Leap card to pay for the Luas, tag on your card on the Leap card validator machine that you'll find on every Luas platform. Tag on your card at the boarding station before getting onto the Luas. By doing so, a full fare amount will be deducted from your card. After you get down at the destination, you will have to tag off your card at the destination validator machine. This is because you get charged based on the distance you have traveled, and you can expect a small credit back if you have traveled short. Using your Leap card to pay for the DART is very similar to that of a Luas. Tag on your card on the entry barrier gate at the boarding station and tag off your card on the exit barrier gate of the destination. Make sure to tag off even if the exit barrier gates are left open at night to get the balance amount back. So now you know how to pay for Dublin's public transport. Honestly, after a couple of rides, you'll get the hang of it, so don't worry. If you have any questions on today's topic, then please feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try and answer it as soon as I can. You might also want to check out my video on types of public transport options in Dublin and what you need to know before using a Leap card. I'll put the links in the description below. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on Dublin's tourism and transport. I'll see you next time.